Hello everyone. Today we are going to read Beep Beep Builders. Squish me, I'm noisy. So the first one is crane. And this is road roller. We also find digger. This is mixer. And the last one is the dump truck. Now let's start to read. This noisy construction site is run by Little B. Hi, I'm Little B. Little B is a front loader. What should we build today? He asks. His team says wheat and sea. So the crane says rumble rumble. And the road roller says toot toot. And the digger says roar. The mixer says beep beep. And the dump truck says crunk crunk. I'll dig a hole, says Digger, and she soon starts to dig. Now let's find which one is the digger. You are right, this one. But oops, watch out, cries Little B. This hole is much too big. The Little B said, hold on. I'll mix cement, says Mixer. And he mixes, then he pours. The team gets to work as Mixer keeps making more and more. Now let's find which one is the mixer. Yes, the blue one. Let's build up high. Crane jiggles, but her teammates start to frown. They are scared of heights. Oh no, Little B calls. Don't look down. Let's all work as a team, says B. It's really the best way. They dig and mix and build and lift. And then it's time to play. The dump truck says crunk crunk crunk. The mixer says beep beep. The digger says whir. The road roller says toot toot. And the crane says rumble rumble. The Little B said, good work, team. And now they all play in the play zone. The end. Thanks for listening.